Hi, I'm Sarah Mackfall and I'm Industry Placement Coordinator for Construction here at Newbury College. T-levels prepare students for the future of work because the colleges collaborate effectively with local and national employers. The employers will provide us with industry placements, and they will also come into colleges to talk to us, do demonstrations, and that way their programme, the students' programme, is enhanced with that employer engagement. The most rewarding part about being involved with T-levels as an industry placement coordinator is seeing students that you've worked with for the last couple of years leaving college and then perhaps seeing them around town in their work vans. I work with construction students, and just seeing them out there being adults, earning money and enjoying life. One of the most exciting things about the T-level courses is the employer engagement. I can't express enough how embedded this is to their course and how important it is. For example, with the construction students, we will take them to a site, a large, massive building site, so they can just get the experience of what the real world of construction is like. T-levels have so far proved a massive benefit to employers here from Newbury College. So our first cohort of T-level students, business and construction, many were offered apprenticeship opportunities with those employers. That meant that the employer didn't necessarily take on a 16-year-old and it maybe not work out. They've got tried and tested one of our T-level students and then given them the opportunity.
Get ahead. T-levels, the next level qualification.